If your sales are dropping, it doesn't mean your business is failing. All it means is that your business has outgrown its capacity. Sometimes business does not shrink just because demand disappears. It's because the system holding them is already full. There is no structure, no clear positioning, and no repeatable way that the customer would actually return. Because of this, revenue leaks, customers stop returning back, and your effort produces less and less results. Listen to me, growth doesn't start with doing more, it starts with holding more. Your capacity and ability to hold more. And that is the reason why I do not teach business owners to chase virality or post endlessly. I focus more on building capacity that holds growth. Now, I leave you with this question quickly before I go. Are you putting in more effort and getting lesser results? Let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you on my next video. But until then, bye for now.